Tiruchitrambalam. Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra, Part 5, which comprises the verses from 51 to 60. That is until the 248th Namavali of Sri Lalita Sahasranama. Part 5 comprises the Saguna Upasana. During the previous parts, we would have seen the Mantra Rupam of Devi. Saguna Upasana elaborates upon this Mantra Rupam of Devi and helps us to understand what are all the evils and wickets which will not approach us. Saguna Upasana. Dushta Dura, Duravasara Samani Dosha Varjita. Dushta Dura, far away from the evils. Durasara, puts an end to all evils. Samani Dosha Varjita, she removes all the evils and obstacles from one's life. Sarvanya Santra Karuna Samanadika Varjita. Sarvanya, omniscient. Santra Karuna, deeply compassionate. Samanadika Varjita, there is none equal or superior to her. Samanadika Varjita. Sarva Shakti Mayi, Sarva Mangala, Satkadi Prada. Sarva Shakti Mayi, she is supreme. Sarva Mangala, the auspicious. Satkadi Prada, she gives us the path towards the salvation. Mukti. Sarveshwari, Sarvamayi, Sarva Mantra Swarupini. Sarveshwari, she is the universal supreme. Sarvamayi, the magic beyond this universe. Sarva Mantra Swarupini, she is the Mantra Swarupa. She herself is the mantras which we chant. Sarva Yantratmiga, Sarva Tantra Rupa Manonmani. Sarva Yantratmika, all the yantras speak about her. Sarva Tantra Rupa, all the mystic diagrams are herself. Manonmani, and she transcends through this, all these yantras and mantras. Sarva Yantratmika, Sarva Tantra Rupa Manonmani. Maheshwari, Mahadevi, Mahalakshmi, Mrudapriya. Maheshwari, one and only supreme. Mahadevi, so she is called Mahadevi. Mahalakshmi, auspiciousness of all Devi Lakshmi. Mrudapriya, Shiva's Priya. Maharupa, Mahapujya, Mahapadaka Nasini. Maharupa, very majestic. Mahapujya, we get mesmerized and we offer our puja. Mahapadaka Nasini, any sins gets removed by her. Mahamaya, Mahasattva, Shaktir, Maharadihi. Mahamaya, the magic behind this universe. Mahasattva, she is the reality. There might be any magic which is created by her. If we have to come out of it, we have to rely on the Mahasattva Rupa because she is the reality. Mahashaktir, she has all the power to remove any mayas. Maharadihi, and she is beautiful. Mahabhoga, Maheshwarya, Mahavirya, Mahabala. Mahabhoga, she enjoys all the prayers given to her by her devotees. Maheshwarya, she is the consort of Maheshwara. Mahavirya, Mahabala, she has all the strength and valor, isn't it? Mahabuddhir, Mahasiddhir, Mahayogeshwareshwari. Mahabuddhir, wisdom. Mahasiddhir, all Siddhi. Mahayogeshwareshwari, she is the Yoga Nilai. Mahatantra, Mahayantra, Mahamantra, Mahasana. Mahamantra, she is on top of all mantras. Mahayantra, she is on top of all yantras. Mahatantra, no tantra can be superior to her. Mahasana, such kind of Mahashaktir, Mahasiddhir, Mahabuddhir. She is Mahasana. She sits on the abode made up of 36 tattvas. Mahayaga Kramaratya, Mahabhairava Bhujita. Mahayaga Kramaratya, all the sacrifices are towards her. Mahabhairava Bhujita. Shiva in his Mahabhairava Rupa also worships Devi. Maheshwara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini. She is the only one who sees her consort Deva dance happily, Ananda Tandava, Rudra Tandava and everything. Maheshwara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini. There is also another meaning to this. Whenever Lord Shiva dances, he meditates Devi in his mind and soul. That's why it is called Maheshwara Mahakalpa, Maheshwara Sankalpa, Mahatandava Sakshini. He dances with Devi being his Sakshi, witness. Mahakamesa Mahishi, Mahatripura Sundari. She is the one and only beauty. Sadashashtubha Saratya. She has to be prayed with 64 ingredients. What are they? Sadashashtubha Kalamayi. They are the 64 art forms which Devi is the queen. Mahasadushashtikodi Yogini Gana Sevita. She is being preyed upon by the 64 crores of yoginis together. Manuviktya, Chantraviktya, Chantramandala Madhyaka. The king Manu with his 12 traditions prays upon her, and on the abode of Chantra, Chantra Mandala Madhyaka, in the middle of the Chantra Mandala, the abode of moon. Charu Ruba, Charu Hasa, Charu Chantra Kaladara. Charu Ruba, her Rubam is beautiful. Charu Hasa, very charming. Charu Chantra Kaladara, the Kala Devi. Sarasara Jagannatha Chakra Raja Nigedana. She takes the abode on her Chakra Rajam. Parvati Batmanayana Batmaraga Samaprabha. Parvati, consort of Lord Shiva. Batmanayana, lotus eyes like her brother Mahavishnu. Padmanabha is Mahavishnu. Batmanayana, Devi Parvati. Padmaraga Samaprabha. She shines like a ruby gem. Saguna Ubasanai. Dushta Dura, Durasara, Samani Dosha Varjida. Sarvanya Santra Karuna, Samanadiga Varjida. Sarva Shaktimayi, Sarva Mangala, Satkadik Prada. Sarveshwari, Sarvamayi, Sarva Mantra Swarubini. Sarva Yantratmiga, Sarva Tantra Ruba, Manonmani. Maheshwari, Mahadevi, Mahalakshmir, Mrudapriya. Maharuba, Mahapujya, Mahapadaganas, Mahamaya, Mahasattva, Mahashaktir, Maharadihi. Mahabhoga, Maheshwarya, Mahavirya, Mahabala. Mahasiddhir, Mahabuddhir, Mahayogeshwareshwari. महातंत्र महायंत्र महामंत्र महासना महायाग क्रमाराध्या महाभैरव पूजिता महेश्वर महाकल्प महातांडव साक्षिणी महाकामेश महिषी महात्रिपुर सुंदरी सदुषष्ट्युपसाराट्या सदुषष्टि कलामयी महासदुषष्टि कोटि योगिनी गण सेविता मनुविद्या चंद्रविद्या चंद्रमंडल मध्यका चारुरूपा चारुहासा चारुचंद्र कलाधरा सरासर जगन्नाथ चक्रराज निकेतना पार्वती पद्मनयना पद्मराग समप्रभा. We shall continue, address you in part 6. Thank you for the support.